Selena, Class 10, Chapter 20, Cylinder, Cone and Sphere, Surface Area and Volume. Sum number 8. In the following diagram, a rectangular platform with a semicircular one on one side is 22 meter long from one end to the other end. If the length of the half circumference is 11 meters, find the cost of constructing the platform 1.5 meter high at the rate of rupee 4 per cubic meters. Length of platform 22 meters, circumference of semicircle 11 meter. Therefore, radius is equals to c into 2 upon 2 into pi equal to 11 into 7 upon 22. Radius is equal to 7 upon 2 meters. Therefore, breadth of the rectangular part is equals to 7 upon 2 into 2, 7 meters. And length is 22 minus 7 upon 2, which is equal to 37 upon 2 equal to 18.5 meters. Area of platform, area of rectangle plus area of semicircle. Area of rectangle is L into B plus half pi r square equal to 18.5 into 7 plus half into 22 upon 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 upon 2 equal to 129.5 plus 77 upon 4 equal to 148.75 meters square. Height of the platform equal to 1.5 meter. Therefore, volume will be area 148.75 into height into 1.5 equal to 223.125 meter cube. Rate of construction is rupees 4 per meter cube. Therefore, total expenditure is equals to 4 into 223.125 equal to rupees 892.50. Sum number 9. The cross section of a tunnel is a square of side 7 meter surmounted by a semicircle as shown in the figure. The tunnel is 80 meter long. Calculate first part its volume, second part the surface area of the tunnel excluding the floor, and third part its floor area. Side of the square 7 meters. Therefore, radius of the semicircle 7 upon 2 meter. Length of the tunnel 80 meters. Area of cross section of front part is equals to area of square a square plus half pi r square equal to 7 into 7 plus half into 22 by 7 equal to 7 into 7 half into 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 equal to 49 plus 77 upon 4 equal to 196 plus 77 upon 4 equal to 273 upon 4 meters square. The volume of the tunnel area into length. Area is 273 upon 4 into 80 equal to 5460 meter cube. Second part, circumference of front of the tunnel 2 into 7 into, that is the side of the square and the half semicircle. So half into 2 pi r, 14 into 22 by 7 into 7 upon 2, 14 plus 11, 25 meter. Therefore, surface area of the inner part of the tunnel is equal to 25 into 80. Length of the tunnel is 80 equal to 2000 meters. Area of the floor, length into breadth. Length is 7, breadth is 80 equal to 560 meters square. Sum number 10. A cylindrical water tank of diameter 2.8 meter and height 4.2 meter is being fed by a pipe of diameter 7 centimeter through which water flows at the rate of 4 meter per second. Calculate in minutes the time it takes to fill the tank. Diameter of cylindrical tank 2.8 meter. Therefore, its radius 1.4 meters. Height 4.2 meters. Therefore, volume of water filled in it pi r square 22 by 7 into 1.4 into 1.4 into 4.2 equal to 181.104 upon 7 equal to 25.872 meter cube. Let that be equation 1. Diameter of pipe 7 centimeter. Therefore, radius 7 upon 2 centimeter. Length of the water pipe be h1. Therefore, its volume pi r square h1 equal to 22 by 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 into h1 equal to volume is equal to 77 upon 2 h1 centimeter cube. Let that be equation 2. From 1 and 2, 77 upon 2 h1 is equal to 25.872 into 10 cube, because it was in meters converting into centimeters, so 100 cube is centimeter cube. Therefore, h1 is equals to 25.872 into 100 cube into 2 upon 77. h1 is equals to, now converting into meters, so divide by 100. 25.872 into 100 cube into 2 upon 77 into 100. Therefore, h1 equal to 0.672 into 10 square meter. Height is equals to 6720 meters. Time taken at the speed of 4 meter per second. Therefore, 6720 upon 4 convert into minutes into 60 equal to 28 minutes. Sum number 11. Water flows at 9 km per hour through a cylindrical pipe of cross-sectional area 25 cm square. If this water is collected into a rectangular crystal of dimensions 7.5 meter into 5 meter into 4 meter, calculate the rise in level of crystal in 1 hour 15 minutes. Rate of water flow 9 km per hour. Water flows in 1 hour 15 minutes, that is 5 upon 4, 15 minutes means 15 upon 60 hour, that is 5 1 upon 4 hour equal to 9 into 5 upon 4 equal to 445 upon 4 kilometer. Convert into meters, multiply by 1000. 45 into 1000 upon 4 equal to 11,250 meters. Area of cross section is 25 centimeter square. Convert into meters, so divide by 100 into 100, which is equal to 1 upon 400 meters square. Therefore, volume of water is equals to 1 upon 400 into 11,250 equal to 28.125 meter cube. Dimensions of water tank is 7.5 meter into 5 meter into 4 meter. Therefore, area of tank length into breadth 7.5 into 5 equal to 37.5 meters square. Let h be the height of the water. Therefore, 37.5 into h is equals to total volume of water, which is equal to 28.125. Therefore, h is equals to 28.125 upon 37.5 equal to 0.75 meter. Convert into centimeter, 75 centimeters. Height of the water is 75 centimeter. Sum number 12. The given figure shows the cross section of a cone, cylinder and hemisphere, all of with the same diameter 10 centimeter and other dimensions are as shown. Calculate first part the total surface area, second part the total volume of the solid, second part the density of material if its weight is 1.7 kilogram. Diameter 10 centimeter, therefore radius 5 centimeter. Height of the cone is given 12 centimeter. Height of the cylinder is 12 centimeter. Slant height of cone will be root of h square plus r square. 12 root of 12 square, radius is 5, so 5 square equal to root of 144 plus 25 equal to root of 169 equal to 13 centimeter. Slant height of cone is 13 centimeter. First part, total surface area of solid equal to pi RL, volume of surface area of cone plus surface area of cylinder plus surface area of semisphere. So pi RL plus 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. In this, pi R is common, so we will take out pi R, remaining into H plus 2H plus 2R. Now we will substitute the value equal to 22 by 7 into 5, 13 plus 2 into 12 plus 2 into 5 equal to 110 by 7, 13 plus 24 plus 10 equal to 110 upon 7 into 47. Total surface area of solid is equal to 5170 upon 7, which is equal to 738.57 centimeters square. Second part, total volume of solid is equals to volume of cone plus volume of cylinder plus volume of semi-spherical equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h plus pi r square h plus 2 upon 3 pi r cube. In this, pi r square is common into 1 upon 3 h plus 2 by 3 r. Substitute the value 22 by 7 into 5 into 5 into 1 upon 3 into 12 plus 12 plus 2 by 3 into 5. 550 upon 7 into 4 plus 12 plus 10 upon 3 equal to 550 upon 7 into 16 plus 10 upon 3. 550 upon 7 into 58 upon 3 equal to 31900 upon 21. Volume of solid is equals to 1519.0476 centimeter cube. Third part, total weight of solid 1.7 kilogram. Therefore, density is equals to weight in grams, therefore multiply by 100 upon volume equal to 1.7 into 1000 upon 1519.0476 equal to 1.119 gram per centimeter cube. Therefore, density is equals to 1.12 grams per centimeter cube.